First of all, prepare 3 rolls of filament. Put the filament into the filament dryer. Insert the filament upward through the filament dryer, and through the filament detector as well. Do the same thing to the other 2 rolls of filament. Make the filament be through the filament hanger. Close the door of the filament dryer. And lock the door. Insert the filament downward through the filament tube. Continually insert the filament downward till the bottom. Pull it back for around 6 centimeters from the bottom. Do the same thing to the other filament till the bottom. Pull it back for around 6 centimeters from the bottom till the bottom. Pull it back for around 6 centimeters from the bottom. Finally, the filament installing is completed.